Hey everyone, welcome back to the How To channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to use a brand new AI coding agent called Traycer. To get started, open your web browser and search for Traycer AI. The first result should be the official website. Go ahead and click on it. Here, the website explains that Traycer is an AI-powered coding assistant. It works by letting a user send prompts or coding requests, and it will progressively complete tasks according to your requirements. As we can see, Traycer is trusted by engineers from well-known companies such as PayPal, Intel, Cisco, Samsung, and others. So let's talk about the pricing. As we can see, we have this pricing section. Traycer offers several plans, like the free plan, that's forever free. It has perfect for hobbyist, includes 5 artifacts per month, comes with a 7 days free trial of the Pro plan. Then we have the light plan that it goes $10 per user per month. It's ideal for casual users, includes 3 active artifacts and 1 new artifact every 16 minutes. Then we have the Pro plan that costs $25 per user per month. It's designed for developers, includes everything in Light Plus, 9 active artifacts, 1 new artifacts every 45 minutes. Also, we have the Pro Plus. It costs $14 per user per month. That includes everything for the previous plan plus, 15 active artifacts, and 1 new artifact every 30 minutes. If you're just getting started, I will recommend trying the Pro trial first. If you need more capacity later, you can always upgrade to Pro Plus or downgrade to Lite if the free version is enough. Once you've reviewed the pricing and you are ready to continue, you are going to click on Install. When you right click on Install, you will see different options for installation. So depending of the code editor you use, for example, Cursor, VS Code, Windsurf, GitHub. In my case, I will choose Install Traycer for Visual Studio Code. Click Install and your browser will ask for permission to open Visual Studio Code. Click Allow and then open Visual Studio Code. This will take you to the Visual Studio Marketplace page for Traycer. Simply click Install, confirm that you trust the publisher, that is Traycer, and proceed. Once the installation is complete, you will see the tracing icon on the left sidebar in VS Code. Before using Traycer, you will need to sign in. So you are going to click on the Traycer icon, then we are going to select Login. A browser window will open asking you to sign in with GitHub. You are going to authorize Traycer to access your GitHub account. You are going to click Allow and then open Visual Studio Code again. After logging in, you will see your Traycer profile on the sidebar. If you are on the free trial, it will show the Pro trial at the top. So what can you actually do with Traycer? So as the name suggests, Traycer helps with coding tasks. It can create new code, add features, or fix issues. Let's make happen. So we have this sidebar. So we also have the options to create new task. It also has the option to modify the settings of the extension like Traycer. So it sends us to the Visual Studio Code extensions settings. As you can see, we can modify it. So we are going to click on Create New Task and select the project. For this example, I have selected one of my existing projects, specifically the user.component file. In this, when Traycer analyzes the file, it will generate a review showing the overview to the user.component.typescript. We have the user component is an standard Angular component that displays user information and using the usuario.service.typescript. So we also have the current implementation that it shows us the component structure. we have the properties, we have the life cycle, we have also the model of the user that TypeScript, we have the service, we show us the template that is used, and we have what's working well. In this case, we have that this clean separation of concerns, we have the dependency injections, the standalone component, and the type safety. Traycer also give us the issues and the recommendations to our code. We have this missing in-person component, hardcode data issues. We have also the non-null assertion objects, the age calculation accuracy, and we have no error handling to the suggest improvement. We have this improvement that we can use. In this case, we have 6 improvement suggest. So right now we are going to send the prompt to Traycer to make the improvements to our code. So we are going to use one of the 9 artifacts that we have for free. Then we have the Traycer AI thinking. We have the plan of this AI. So we need to wait to this work. You will notice that tracing is processing your request and one of your artifacts will be used. So these are limited depending of your plan. Traycer then creates a plan showing the change it will make. You can view this plan by clicking to show breakdown. Here we have 3 of the plans. We have the first plan that it's update the user model to use the full birthday. Then we are going to click on create plan. When this is generating, we need to know that the artifacts also will be used. In this case, we have 7.166. So then we have the generated plan. We have all of the specification on the maze or the change we are going to make. Once the plan is generated, click verify change. So if you click on verify change, you will see that the artifacts it will consume. So we need to wait to the processing task to the Traycer AI. Then we will see the verification. In this case, we have all of the verifications we need to make. In this case, we are going to click on fix with Copilot. In this case, we are going to use a complementation to the extension of GitHub Copilot, and then we will click on fix and make the change. In this case, we have 2 of the AI agents, like the Traycer AI code agent and the GitHub Copilot agent. In this case, we will need to do is keep the change. In this case, we are going to keep in this file, and then in this other file, we need to click on keep to save the updates, and everything will be signed automatically. And that's it. You know now how to install and use Traycer AI inside Visual Studio Code, to review and fix your code, and even combine it with GitHub Copilot for a more powerful workflow. If you want to create projects from scratch, Traycer can make the process much smoother and faster. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.